and namaskar to all my lovely and wonderful companion of One World. Hopefully all are very good and doing great in your life. So today let's understand anger, or how to deal with anger, or how to overcome the anger, or how to control the anger. So first let's understand what is anger or angriness. Anger is something that once in a while it's happened. It is not our normal state. When someone get angry, when someone get angry, he say, oh, I am becoming angry, I am angry, I am getting angry. So it is that it is not normal state, or it is not an entity, it is not normal state, it is that we becoming. So why it is something that we becoming angry? It is because today there is substantial medical evidence to say that when we become angry or getting angry, it's generate poison in our system. So why it is someone that who wants to generate in poison in their system? It is not by their choice, it is because people don't know. Because if someone wants to ask you or me, what you want, pleasantness, happiness, joyfulness, or getting angry, definitely we want highest state of pleasantness. But it is something that something in a while happen, that when outside situation is in our control, then we are become happy, joyful, wonderful. When outside situation is not in our control, we getting become angry. So that is our problem, that when as a human being we must to decide that how the outside situation will happen. It is not in our hand all the time, but how will we function inside within us, that is 100% within us. That is becoming the greatness of becoming a human being. Anger is not high state of pleasantness, it is joyful, wonderfulness, blissfulness, ecstatic. It is the highest state of blissfulness. It is like that we today is like that outside situation decide the human consciousness. No, human consciousness must to decide the outside situation how we wants to be. Because if someone or something getting us angry, is it not the ultimate kind of slavery? Is it not? Because someone wants you to be joyful and doing something and you are happy, and someone doing something miserable or unpleasant to you and you are becoming angry. So this is what happening right now. Another thing, we everyone observe that when we are getting angry, we are not getting angry for a long period of time. Because anger is what? It is the raw kind of energy. It generates huge kind of energy. So you cannot be angry even after 2 minutes. And most importantly, anger is greatest problem for yourself and also surrounding for others. When your angry become gone, when everything will settle, you observe or you notice that you feel guilty, so becoming angry. So it is like that you also don't want. It is that like you also don't want to be angry, but your emotion, body, mind, energy, how it is function, it is not in your hand. It is happening that your body is somewhere else, our mind is somewhere else, our emotion is somewhere else. It is whatever we can say anger, hatred, jealousy, resentment, stress, tension, or whatever. But it is essentially, it is like that our intelligence have turned against us. We want to be joyful and happy, but it is not happening the way we want. So what we can do, the moment we getting angry, we must to practice that. We must to observe why we getting angry. Is it that because something not happening? So not matter outside situation or people, they want to react how they want to react, it is their choice. But it is our choice how we want to the state of being set up inside within us. So that is, observe your angerness, and please leave a gap and observe your angriness. And once you become practice like this, that you are observing your angerness and just becoming a gap and set back from there, you observe, and just 2-3-4 second gap, you see everything will be settled. You will not be, because that is not a normal state of mind. So just paying a little bit attention to yourself, and that will be settled to everything. Because after a while, right now you are getting angry, and after practicing this, that observing and leaving a gap, the certain moment you getting angry, and paying a little bit attention to that settle everything after a period of time. Because right now we are functioning just by habit. So after a becoming a certain period of time, not becoming anger is also will be our normal state of mind. So that's it from today's video. I hope you love this. Thank you so very much, and always stay healthy, happy, joyful and blessed. Love you all. Have a great life ahead. Namaskar.